Can you change your tax refund bank account? Have you ever wondered if you can change the bank account where your tax refund is sent? This is a common question among taxpayers, and understanding the rules can save you from potential headaches. Let's break it down clearly. You can only change your bank account information for your tax refund before you file your tax return, or if your return has been rejected by the Internal Revenue Service. If you are in that situation, you can update your direct deposit details, like the routing number and account number, using your tax software or by correcting and resubmitting your return. Once the Internal Revenue Service accepts your filed return, you cannot change the bank account information for that refund. If you provided incorrect bank account information, or if the account is closed, the Internal Revenue Service will attempt to send the refund to that account. If the bank rejects the deposit, the Internal Revenue Service will mail you a paper check to the address you provided on your return. This can lead to delays in receiving your refund, which is something no one wants to deal with. If you realize that you need to change your refund deposit after filing, your best option is to contact the Internal Revenue Service promptly at their helpline. They can check if your refund has been posted. If it has not yet been processed, they may be able to stop the direct deposit and allow you to provide new banking information. However, if your refund has already been processed, you cannot change the bank account. Instead, you will need to wait for the paper check to arrive and then deposit it manually. If you need to correct other errors on your tax return after filing, you can file an amended return. However, this does not change the direct deposit information for an already accepted refund. For Asian American taxpayers, it is especially important to review your bank account details carefully before submitting your return. If you use tax preparation services or software that autofills previous information, make sure everything is accurate. This will help you avoid delays and complications in receiving your refund. If you do not have a United States bank account, there are options to receive refunds through prepaid debit cards or international direct deposit. However, these must be set up correctly before you file your return. In summary, changing your tax refund bank account is only possible before the Internal Revenue Service accepts your return. After acceptance, the Internal Revenue Service processes refunds based on the information submitted, and any corrections to direct deposit requiring the refund to be returned and reissued as a paper check. Always verify your banking details during filing to prevent issues.